got it unseized, put some Coca-Cola down the bore.
Coca-Cola down the bore?
Yep.
It is, mate.
And 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
Took me now for probably 10 years, 15 years.
The old farm truck.
Look at this. Can you see that? My God, look at that truck.
Yeah, so we bought that, and I just found the photo. I bought that in 1981, and I got a photo of it when we first bought it.
Have you got the photo?
Yeah.
I'd love to have a look at that
And
too.
then,
Yep. But look at the shots. This is all the shots of doing this truck up. All through here. Look at this. This is a donor truck because you want the motor out of that one, and that was sold later on. Under paint.
so all that was done here, and then it went up to Lester O'Reilly's in Nelson. We took it up to him looking like that, and then he carried on and did a lot of, yeah. So he started putting the guards on and all that from there. But we had done the motor up and
Motor. And you're saying the motor's a 24 stud?
yeah,
Okay.
they're not very big, maybe 230.
Okay. Yeah.
They're not very big, but there's a bit of a story about it there. So that's the truck originally, way back in the day. If you read Amy Dale Avery's Harden.
And this is on the classic car, New Zealand classic car, featured there. Look at that. That's beautiful paint job inside and out. And the dash.
Like,
Have a look at the dash.
We never finished the hood lining or the carpet yet. Maybe one day.
So what's your like? How far have you taken it? Have you gone for a bit of a spin somewhere?
Been to Kaikoura a few times.
Okay, Kaikoura. That's a good distance.
Hammer.
How far is that? How far is Kaikoura from here?
2 hours driving.
So 2 hours. So that's 120 miles.
Yeah.
200 k's.
Yeah.
Obviously the panels, they had this
Piping.
rubber piping.
Same with the old V-dubs, got the same thing. Should be cleaned a wee bit better, but
That just ticks over nicely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, we need to take that for a spin.
yes,
Don't we?
Yep.
This is going to be interesting.
Look, you can't cock it up. I've done some pretty rough driving, haven't broken an axle yet.
Handbrake on, have we?
Yeah, handbrake on there.
It's off.
Pretty touchy.
Take it easy, mate.
I'll give it a second.
I didn't double it.
You're right. Go for third now. Yeah, good.
Grab third. That's what we call grabbing third.
Yeah, there you go, top. Earlier the better. It like
Hey, away.
And when now you're cruising when you...
I just like this.
Watch that top
30
gear.
mile an hour is great.
Yeah,
There's a little mirror outside here. You can
Yep.
see what's going on.
yeah,
And then you're right, you know, top gear, just nice.
yeah.
Way around the corner, baby. That's me. Whoa!
Air conditioning.
Yeah, the good air conditioning in this. Look, I'm doing 45. And you wouldn't even know. Feel how much we're out of gear. Yes, we are. Handbrake on. Reuse that exhaust and just put a different flange on, and then what?
It's held on with that, clamped on the manifold.
Okay.
So, you know, there's a wee, that's a little Y piece, sits in there in the manifold, the little Y piece is clamped
Yes,
together.
clamps on it. Yep.
But it was been pitted around the edge of it, so
And it was starting to chuff a bit.
yeah, so I just chuffed it, I'll get off it.
Mini. What year is this?
64. Like it was going until last Sunday I pulled the exhaust off it after its Kaikoura trip. So it's got the old original cross-ply tyres on the old girl too.
Cross-ply tyres. Look at this, the aerial factory option for an area out the side.
I'm not sure, well, it probably would be factory because it was on there. I had a photo of it in 65 with that on it.
Okay, it must be factory option.
Yeah.
That's a very unusual place to put an aerial.
Yeah, well, look at the V-dub.
Yeah, we'll have a look at that one too.
Yeah.
So have a look inside here, Pete. So I was going to say a wooden steering wheel, but you haven't. You got a cover on it.
Yeah. Yeah. So, upholstery's all
Look at that. Upholstery.
original.
That's original.
Yep.
Did someone not drive it?
It was my great auntie bought it for a start, and then she passed on, give it to my mother, and then my mother drove it for a wee bit. She had arthritis, had trouble getting in and out of it, so it sat in the shed for a while, and then my sister got hold of it and she drove it out in and out of Christchurch from Harden for about bloody nearly a year, and then she didn't check the oil on it, and it just come up one day and said, oh, listen to this, it's knocking, knock, just knocking. I said, well, it's over.
The old death knock.
Put it in the shed. So it's
Button on the floor?
starter motor, that's your starter button down there.
Okay.
With
so-
batteries in the back, starters
Yeah.
at the front,
Yeah,
nice connection. Starter button in the middle.
easy done.
So this is the deluxe one, yes, because
Yeah.
they have the overriders
Yeah,
and the little, what do you call, the bumperettes on the front.
yeah,
And obviously the gauges are different.
yeah. It's extra 2 gauges in it. Yeah.
And that's original sort of colour they come out with in the
Yep.
motor.
Yep.
And look at it. But you got original upholstery. That doesn't make sense for something that old.
Well, it's done 50. When I got it, it had done 48,000 miles. It's now done 54.
54,000 miles. Hang on a minute. No. 64 years old.
Yeah.
54,000 miles.
Yeah.
Work that equation out.
Yeah.
That's less than 1,000 miles per year.
Well, it's out in the shed for 20 years.
That doesn't count. That's cheating. Okay. But isn't that brilliant? Can we have a look at the back boot,
100%.
the trunk?
Help yourself, yeah.
So you got a name on here.
Oh, that was
Howdy.
my auntie Ellie, yeah, a great auntie. That was her car. And like thing is too, that's design.
Yeah, okay. So you can stick stuff in the back and have
so I got a photo. We went camping one time out at Gore Bay. I got a big chili on the boot here, and a strap around it, and that's what the number plate flops down for.
We're going to have a look at the V-dub, which is Peter's European stuff.
I'm just,
No. We're changing over, mate. This is yours. Yeah, definitely.
So this come about this. I was into Morris Miners. I had 5 Morris Miners.
right.
And up the road, halfway through Waikari Township, this thing I was sitting under a cover, and the cover was getting torn and blown on the wind. And I thought,
You didn't know what it was?
well, that must be another bloody. Look, I had in my mind it was a Morris Miner. I don't know why.
Okay. Yep.
So I offered the guy some money for it,
Yep.
and he says no. And anyway, come back to me about a month later. He said, I'll take that. But righto, so I shook his hand, went up there, and
But you hadn't looked at it.
no, well, I only offered him $500. Pulled the cover off it, and thought, my God, it's a V-dub. So,
In what sort of condition, Brian? What's it?
I can show you a photo here. Multicoloured and no real rust to speak of.
Well, what blows me away straight up is that you bought it unseen, under a cover.
Yeah.
You would have just about fell over.
I like gambling.
Oh.
I thought it was the Morris Minor.
Oh.
That was a.
Crikey.
But
So what have we got? It's a 1963. 63.
Yeah.
And CC, what are they? 1300s or something?
It should have been 1200.
Oh,
It's got a
12.
1500 motor in it. I've
got
got the
a
original motor in the back shed.
Oh,
and
right.
A million bits, but it come with that motor, and the motor runs sweet, so I've left it in there.
But honestly, when you look at the body on this, it's pretty good. I'm going to open this
Yeah,
up here.
100%. So the motor got a Dulux overhaul.
Gee whiz.
It ran sweet, so I just
Now,
pulled
they're
it
pretty
out.
easy to take in and to
20
take out.
minutes.
20 minutes.
Hardest part's getting this piece off. Once that comes off, there's bolts there and down there and down there.
And it just slips
And
out.
then it's just 4 bolts. Attach it to the gearbox, and
Oh, wow.
it just pops out. Yeah.
Hey, this is me, Dave. There's no doubt about it.
Hang on, you know, video of it going, do you?
Whoa, here we go. That Volkswagen sound, eh?
Yeah. No.
It is brilliant.
Oh, this has been done.
Yeah, right.
This
But,
has been done before I got it.
but your door cards are...
Yeah, so they've got cracks and things in it.
Yeah.
I just glued them up. But this, as I say, these were done before I got it.
Oh, okay. Oh,
New window rubbers.
I know there are quite a number of Volkswagens still around, and people have got them in their garages as a second car or whatever.
That's.
Oh.
There's your fuel tank. Sits under there.
Okay. Easy to get at again, no doubt.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not as noisy as what I remember.
You've got the easy one to drive because the old Jailbar's a bit trickier.
Is it?
Or the clutch, you know.
It's been really, really brilliant.
Okay.
And it's nice to me and Dave to see something that has been saved, and you're keeping them in really good condition. You've got them undercover, and all I can say is well done.
Thank you.
Good on you.
Yeah, yeah.
Well done,
Oh,
Brian.
great, yeah.
So she was a runner when I bought it, but geez, it smoked.
No rubber bumpers in this. So international motor, or is it from something else that they? No, it's an international motor. At 4.6.
They made their own.
Hey?
They made their own.
Okay. Oh, you got mag wheels on it.
Oh yeah. That's genuine Ford wheels. It's been sitting there now for probably 10 years, 15 years.
So it's a Mark IV Zephyr. The upholstery's in friggin' pristine condition.
Shouldn't be,
It is.
for the bloody life of sitting out here in the sun.
No, the front seat is actually mint. I can't believe that. How many miles on it, Pete? 98,000.
Miles per hour, so it's...
So there you go, miles per hour. So it's pre-72.
Yeah, that's what I say, about 70, I reckon.
Yep. So that's worth saving.
Oh, for sure it is, yeah.
Isn't it cool? You actually, as soon as you put a set of mag wheels on anything,
Yeah.
the value jumps up about double. Thanks, Gary.
No problem.
Shake your hand.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.